If we don't change direction soon, we'll get to where we're going.
I thought that's what we were doing here.
Just remember, wherever you go, there you are.
I'm gonna need some continuity here, Irwin.
I feel that the only way to develop any continuity is to develop a direction which makes it possible to accept whatever your ideology might be. In which case, you can only then refer to the origin of your birth.
I was born in Boston, and we're pretty far from Boston.
Yes, but if you get rid of North Dakota, South Dakota, you get rid of Nebraska, Kansas, and all the middle, then you make it easier to go from one place to another. You bring the country closer together, and you make it easier to get from one place to another.
That actually kind of makes sense.
Now come quickly. It's this way. It's this way.
This has been Hiking with Professor Irwin Corey.